Happy St. Patrick's Day! This is Level Up. I'm the Broke Game Girl, and we are playing Draw You Stickman Epic. Ah! Okay, so the angry faces are dangerous. They spit fire at you. This box looks like it does something, so let's just stay in one place, Jerry. It didn't do anything. It just burned. Okay. Ah! Crap. No, I am not flame retardant. Thank you for reminding me, video game. Alright. Let's try it again. Right. Bunny! Oh, I need that puzzle piece. I need to get that to move somehow. If I make the bunny hungry, like if I feed it, I think I can make it happen. It needs to be heavier. Oh shit. Those are all angry things. Alright. Got some dynamite over here. I should back up just a teensy bit. Oh look, it's a little, like, robot thing, I think. No, it's like a statue. Can I blow that up? I would really like to blow that up. Scrawny man over there. Alright. What does this do? Okay. What happens if I electrocute this? I don't remember this level at all. Did something. Did something. Oh, okay, so it flattened that out. Oh my god, angry heads. How am I supposed to do that? Can I do something to them to make them... Okay, there's gotta be something I can do to these guys to make them leave me alone. They're fire. Maybe if I fight them with water? Nope. Alright, how about lightning? There we go. Lightning does it. Okay. Let's try this again. Alright, no! Don't get close to them yet. Stay in one... Jerry. Let's go ahead and draw some more clouds over these other ones, too. Maybe we can head them off at the pass, so to speak. Yeah! Oh, but the lightning is not good for me either. This is tricky. I need to be faster on my draw. Get it? Because I'm using a tablet. The heck is this? What is that? It looks like Stickman Princess Leia. Or possibly a bear. Stick bear. Does that mean there's a bear around? I really don't want to mess with a bear. Okay, one at a time, I guess. Nope. Oh! So much trickier than I thought. Fire fail! I am surprised the word fail, in the way that it's currently being used, is still a thing, and that it hasn't, like, faded away yet. Okay. How are we doing for time? About halfway through the episode. Oh, just run past him. Alright. I don't know if that's gonna work the other direction. Let's go ahead and regain access. Nope, fire. Ah! Thanks, game. Thanks. Jerry, you could do with being a little herdier. Alright, just go for it. Run. Run, 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 run. No. Okay. Nope. Stand here. Here. Alright. Do everything from over here. Alright, good. Part 1. Part 2 with the lightning. You can actually see it lowering the platform. Awesome. Alright. Let's try and draw like itty bitty tiny little angry clouds kind of off to the side. Oh, crap. Why is this so difficult? Okay. I can do this. Well, maybe not. I just got injured. 1. I should figure out how many hits this guy can take. Because there's no health bar anywhere. Or no, like, there's no indication of, like, when he's gonna die. Okay, stand back. I shall blow this up. Okay. Go this way. No! Oh my god, really? This is starting to get really frustrating. But I guess that's okay, because, I mean, that's why people watch Let's Plays in the first place, right? You're not actually interested in the game, you just want to see people freak out. Stay over there. I'm just gonna, like, can I just... Do I have to blow up the dynamite? Yes, apparently I do. Tricky, tricky. Okay. I'm just gonna draw them like they're angry eyebrows on the guys over here. No! Ride the lightning. I'm so glad I haven't already named one of the episodes Ride the Lightning. That would just be awful now. Okay. There's like so much else to do over here, but yeah. I really want to get through this part, because I feel like this is going to be the trickiest part anyway. Run, Jerry, run! Okay, stay over there in the corner. Fire. Lightning. Fire and lightning. Na 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 na. If that's not already a rock song, it should be. Alright. Oh no, it looks like Donald Trump. Oh, that's... Can I undo that? Hold on, let me just... Well, while I have the opportunity. That one's Donald Trump. And that one's Donald Trump. And I think the one down here is like down here somewhere. That one doesn't get to be Donald Trump because I can't see myself drawing him right now. Alright, cool. Just a little lightning? No! How do you even? I don't Can I get a hint? What's the hint? I knew that already. Not helpful. I can't believe it's gonna be like just a whole episode of this. It already has been a whole episode. You know what? Next time on Level Up, we'll pick this up on Monday. Alright. Have a happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye!